Best DSLR cameras offer excellent image quality, interchangeable lenses, and full creative control, making them ideal for beginners to professionals. Starting at number 1. Canon EOS 2000D Rebel T7 Kit. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 2-lens kit is a beginner-friendly yet powerful camera designed for those starting their photography journey. Featuring a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Canon's Digic 4 Plus image processor, it delivers sharp, detailed photos and smooth Full HD 1080p video. The included EFS 18-55mm lens is ideal for everyday shooting such as portraits, landscapes, and travel, while the EF 75-300mm telephoto lens allows you to capture distant subjects like wildlife, sports, and events with ease. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make it simple to share images and control the camera remotely using a smartphone. With easy-to-use controls, Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, and compatibility with Canon's wide range of EF lenses, the Rebel T7 is a versatile and reliable choice for learning and growing in photography. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18-55mm lens is a user-friendly, entry-level camera perfect for beginners and hobbyists, featuring a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Canon's Digic 4 Plus image processor for sharp photos and reliable performance. It captures Full HD 1080p video, supports ISO 100-6400, expandable to 12800, and offers up to 3 frames per second continuous shooting, giving you flexibility in various shooting situations. Built-in Wi-Fi with NFC makes it easy to share images and videos wirelessly, while the included EFS 18-55mm lens covers a useful focal range for everyday photography from landscapes to portraits. With a 9-point autofocus system, optical viewfinder, and intuitive controls, the Rebel T7 provides quality results and an accessible learning experience for new photographers. Number 3. Nikon D7500DX Format Digital SLR. The Nikon D7500DX Format Digital SLR body is a powerful and versatile camera designed for enthusiast photographers who want high performance and excellent image quality. It features a Nikon DX format CMOS sensor with advanced image processing that delivers rich detail and low noise results, with a broad ISO range for shooting in various lighting conditions. The camera has a 51-point autofocus system with 15 cross-type sensors and up to 8 frames per second continuous shooting, making it great for fast-moving subjects. The 3.2 tilting LCD touchscreen helps with composing shots from creative angles, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to connect to the Nikon SnapBridge app for sharing and remote control. For video, the D7500 records 4K Ultra HD and Full HD footage with features like time-lapse, stereo sound, auto ISO, and power aperture control. With reliable metering, solid build quality, and compatibility with Nikon DX mount lenses, the D7500 is a strong choice for both stills and video. Number 4. Nikon D850 DSLR Camera. The Nikon D850 DSLR camera bundle is a professional-grade powerhouse designed for photographers who demand exceptional image quality and performance. At its heart is a 45.7 MP full-frame CMOS sensor that delivers incredibly detailed photos with wide dynamic range and low noise, perfect for landscapes, portraits, and commercial work. The advanced 153-point autofocus system ensures fast, accurate focusing, even in challenging situations or when shooting at f/8. You can capture stunning 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second with rich clarity, making this camera a great choice for multimedia creators. With continuous shooting up to 9 frames per second, the D850 handles fast action like sports and wildlife with ease. This bundle includes essential accessories like a 64GB SD memory card, ENEL15A battery, charger, cables, strap, a protective Alpine 160 bag, and a Nikon 1-year warranty, so you're ready to shoot right out of the box. Number 5. Canon EOS 6D Mark II DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II DSLR camera with EF24 to 105mm USM lens is a high-performance full-frame camera that delivers exceptional image quality and versatility for serious photographers and enthusiasts. It features a 26.2MP full-frame CMOS sensor paired with a Digic 7 image processor, giving you sharp, detailed photos and strong performance in low light with ISO up to 40,000. Expandable to 102,400. The included EF24 to 105mm lens covers a wide zoom range for landscapes, portraits, and everyday shooting, with optical stabilization to help reduce blur. The camera's 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system and dual-pixel CMOS AF enable fast and accurate focusing for both stills and video. You can shoot at up to 6.5 frames per second continuous bursts and record full HD video at 60 frames per second, while the vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes composing shots from creative angles easier. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS add connectivity and convenience for sharing and tagging your work. Overall, this DSLR provides a professional-level feature set and a capable, all-around package.